am discussing Animal Kingdom, chapter number 4, class 11, NCERT Questions and Answers, long answer type question, part 6. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nowsin and you are watching your most favorite channel, Educational Support. So, my lovely students, are you ready? So, let's get started. Question number 1 is, give 3 major differences between chordates and non-chordates and draw a schematic sketch of a chordate showing those features. So the major differences between chordates and non-chordates are, in chordates they have a notochord, their tail is present at some stage in life, their heart is ventral, their CNS is dorsal and gill slits are present in the pharynx. But in notochords, in non-chordates, they don't have a notochord. Their tail is entirely absent, their heart is dorsal, their CNS is central, solid and double and gill slits are absent. So, if you know the detail about chordates and non-chordates and difference between them in a very funny way, then definitely visit my channel, and that video's link also is given in my description box below. Or you can click the I button for that video. Here I am presenting the schematic sketch with illustrating important characters of chordates. Question number 2 is, what is the relationship between germinal layers and the formation of body cavity in case of Siloamine, Salomets and Pseudo Salomets? So, there are 3 germinal layers in Salomets, namely ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. So, the mesoderm lines the body cavity and thus true body cavity is present. For example, annelids. Asylumets, that means there are 3 germinal layers in asylumets, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, hence referred as triploblastic. So, body cavity is not present in Asylomet, for example, Platyhelminthes. In Pseudo Salomet, there are 3 germinal layers in Pseudo Salomets, namely ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. But the mesoderm is present at scattered pouches and don't line the cavity, hence true xylem is absent. For example, nematodes. Question number 3 is, comment upon the habitats and external features of animals belonging to class Amphibia and Reptilia. So, Amphibia, they live in fresh water and marine water. They can also live on land. So, external features are, their body is divided into head and trunk, tail may be present in some, skin is moist and has no scales, eyes have eyelids, and for example, frog, toad, salamanders, etc. In case of Reptilia basically primarily terrestrial animals, and however some are in aquatic habitat as well. But they cannot breathe underwater and limbs are in 2 pairs. So the external features are, skin is dry and covered with scales and limbs if present are 2 pairs. For example, snake, turtle, lizard, etc. Question number 4 is, mammals are most adopted among the vertebrates? Elaborate. It is very true that mammals are most adopted among vertebrates. Following are some of the adaptations shown by mammals. So mammals can be found in almost all type of habitat. For example, in mountains, deserts, grasslands, plains, and even in aquatic habitat. So hairs on skin provide insulation. Mammals have two pairs of limbs which help in running, jumping, walking, flying, climbing, etc. They are warm-blooded animals, which means they can control their body temperature. Sexual is well developed, which is an important tool for survival of the species. Mammalian skull is equipped with sweat glands which help in osmoregulation, you know that, and thermoregulation as well as. So external ears help in catching sound waves in efficient way. 4-chambered heart facilitates double circulation, which is very efficient than single circulation. Most of the mammals are viviparous. They feed their young due to presence of mammary glands, you know that. So dear, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and please share it. And if you dear missed my previous video part 4, then visit my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, thank you for support. Make sure hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and stay tuned with educational support for more biology related topics. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.